Fucking eel. What's gar eel? Oh, no, it's not. Yeah. Is it an eel? Yeah, it's an eel.
No, that's an alligator.
Are you sure it's not a shark? No, okay. Weighing it down.
You got long nose pliers, smart man.
Fucking A. Come on, mate, stay still. I used to have a pair, but I left them down there. Good job, mate.
Yeah, all the ones I bought years ago are fucking lost, eh?
Yep. Oh, the pliers are gone.
Oh, did you just drop your pliers?
Yep.
What a...
You fucking joking.
I got that on video.
Yeah, hold him. Watch out, you're right.
Fuck that cunt.
Calm down, calm down. It's just
Where's the other one? Have I got another video?
Wrap him around that.
Just use your foot too.
Fuck, I hate
did
eels,
swallow
man.
it too, the cunt. Yeah, stand on, you're right. That's a good idea.
I would not get your finger close to that.
Nah, I don't want it to grab my finger, so I'm gonna run this way.
I can't believe I fucking dropped them.
If you hold him dead, hold down with your foot.
Oh, it's slippery as fuck, yeah.
Yeah, I bet it is. I just don't want it to grab my hand. I don't want to kill you, mate. That's the
Fuck
thing.
off, fish. Ah, bird.
Here we go. I can trust myself now. All good.
Yeah.
I got it. Yep, there it goes.
You get it out?
Yep. There you go.
Nice. All good.
Kick him in before he dies.
GG. I can't believe I just dropped those in.
Mad cunt.